What's up, guys? Ryan here. So I just finished recording my February 2019 income report where I walked through all the profit I made from Amazon FBA, Amazon merch, and dropship print on demand. But merch specifically, I walked through how I even revealed what my best selling design was, which I don't typically do, but it ended up getting trademarked. So why not reveal it? Because I can't make money off of it anymore. But I talk about my approach for not just having a bestseller for that niche, but how I actually also tap that using additional strategies, as well as how to protect yourself from getting your products removed and getting a strike against your account if someone trademarks something that you're actively selling. Because if you're new to Amazon merch, this actually happens regularly. If a niche is profitable enough, people just go ahead and pay and take the time to trademark that design or that niche or text or whatever, and then everything gets taken down by Amazon's automated software as soon as that trademark goes live. Anyways, guys, here it is. I should mention that if any of my shirts ever get a review, whether it's 1 star, 2 star, 3 star, 4 star, or 5 star, I will bump it up to $19.99. If it's premium, I'll put it at $21.99. The reason for that is because having a review allows you to stand out in search results, and standing out in search results in print on demand, to me, if you ask me personally, I believe is the hardest thing. It's the hardest battle to win. If you can get clicked from search results and you're not like a terrible designer, or your listing isn't really bad, I feel like you'll get the sale. Like assuming that when they clicked you in search results, they could see that your thumbnail design was what they were looking for. So you just need to do everything you can to stand out in the search results. I talk about this on Amazon. It's a lot harder to do on Amazon than on Etsy. Etsy gives you a couple tools that you can use to, on command, stand out. So definitely, if you're not selling on Etsy, check out some of my Etsy content. But anyways, yeah, so profit to date, $2,221.85. Last month in January, I got owned by returns from December because so many people bought shirts as gifts, and Amazon withheld people's earnings from December, anticipating that there's going to be a lot of returns in January, which there was. As a result, my profits in January were a little bit lower than normal because of the returns. But in February, you can see only 5 returns. By the way, my stats, if you're looking at this and thinking to yourself, like, how do I get stats like this on Amazon merch? Well, there is a Chrome extension called Pretty Merch Pro that you can check out by just clicking. Well, I always put a link right there in the description, but if you're on my website too, you can just click that right there. It is amazing. It's only $10 a month, and it does a lot of stuff for you, like auto relogging you in, giving you pop-up notifications of when you get sales, allowing you to drill down into the analytics and historical data really easily because Amazon's Analyze tab sucks. I've done a whole Pretty Merch review video and website post. If I remember to, I'll put a link in the video as well, actually. So it'll be up here in the corner. And so just to scroll through what was happening. So my account had about 3,900 products. I was in tier 8,000, but kind of guilty of not uploading as much as I should. That will change in the upcoming months when I start using Merch Titans automation, which allows me to basically automate the upload process. Check out my videos, but I can upload while I'm recording these videos. Like, I'll be uploading Amazon merch products in the background, so it's a serious productivity hack. It's amazing. And again, there's another link in the description there. It's my favorite tool for print on demand, easily. My best-selling t-shirt for the month was I'm with Cap. Now, when I say my best-selling t-shirt, like if I go and I look at the statistics, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like I can see a list of, on my other monitor, I think about 14 products of my top 14 best-selling. I can keep scrolling to see more, but I keep my niches private, so I apologize. I can't show you everything. But I had 6 products, all themed as I'm with Cap. And the reason I'm revealing this niche is because it got trademarked. So, I mean, I'm not making money off of it anymore, so I might as well tell you. Anyways, this was a combination of, again, finding a good niche, finding a hot trend that other people are advertising for me. And then all I have to do is go look at what people are buying and create a similar design. It's not stealing designs. I never say steal designs, but like if there's a certain design that people want because maybe the athlete is wearing that, then go create a similar design. That's not a pixel for pixel like thief thing at all. It's not stealing at all. It's like literally just saying, hey, look at the TV. Someone's wearing this and promoting a message that's, you know, trending right now. Go to Trademark USPTO database, search it. Oh, it's not trademarked. Okay, fair game. You know, upload a single test product to Amazon. Don't upload 12 at a time. Upload one. Make sure it hits processing, meaning it doesn't go to manual review. Because if you use the new beta uploader and you upload like 10 products at once and they all get rejected, guess what happens to your account? So always be safe. I call that my safe upload strategy. Be smart. But yeah, like 6 of my top 14 were all I'm with Cap because, like I always say, if you find something that works, guys, don't just upload one product. Like if you're in tier 10 and you find a hot niche, delete your other 9 spots, whatever you've got. If they're not selling, delete them. Upload 10 of the same design to 10 different products in the hot selling niche because they're way more likely to sell. And you already have data that your competitors may not have because you've received a sale. That's how you know it's a hot niche, because you're getting a sale or sales plural. So just think that way. Also, Merch Titans automation is one thing, but Merch Titans also has like research tools and trademark alerts. So when I received the notification that I'm with Cap had been trademarked, I thought to myself, oh, I should be better about using these trademark alerts on Merch Titans. And so, again, though, you can also copy paste. It's super easy. And if you're using the automation tool, you can copy your column out of your automation spreadsheet and just paste it into the trademark alerts. Could not be simpler, guys. So, Merch Titans, the research and product database and trademark alert tool is great. The automation tool you cannot live without. All right, guys, and that wraps it up for this video. I know it was a short one. I apologize for that. I'm trying something new here where I'm kind of taking the highlights from the longer income report video that was packed with information, but I know a lot of people probably don't want to watch the full 25+ minute video. So I'm trying a little thing here where I take the excerpts and release them as individual videos. But anyways, guys, if you like this video, please hit that like button and consider subscribing. If you have any questions, comments, feedback, hit me up below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for checking out this video, and I will see you at the next one.